Where's the firearm?
It's in the bedroom.
All right, just leave it. Don't touch it.
Okay.
Peaceful Christmas morning shattered by a single gunshot. What was meant to be a celebration turned into a crime scene.
Yes.
Put your shoes on and go outside and flag down the paramedics as they're pulling up, okay? Go flag down the paramedics.
Are you from there? Is someone inside already?
A man confused, shaken, and he says, "I shot her." But was it really just an accident or something more?
Who got shot?
My sister-in-law.
Do you have an ID on you?
It's in the house in my
All right,
wallet.
stay here with me.
Sorry, I'm pacing a little bit.
What happened? Do you know how she got
Yes,
shot?
it was me. I shot her on accident.
Okay.
I was sleeping in my bedroom, which is right here. She was in the guest bedroom.
units, there is being held.
Forgot she was
Units 9
here.
will switch to PD4.
I woke up, and she was walking out her bedroom, and I was like, who the f***?
Officers took control quickly, but every second was critical. Was someone still alive inside? Nobody knew for sure.
So I used to sleep with it by my bedside because I just, you never know. And I pulled out and bam.
You thought someone like...
I thought someone was intruding in my house.
I see. Okay. You forgot she was home or something like that?
I completely forgot.
A licensed gun at home, meant for protection, but sometimes it becomes the cause of a tragedy.
Bad shape.
Where's the gun at now?
It's on the bed.
What's your first name, sir?
Daniel.
Firearms.
Do you have a FOID card?
I do. I have a concealed carry as well.
That's all inside?
Yes.
What kind of gun was it?
Glock 9.
They're on their way. I'm sorry, what?
Glock 19.
Glock 19?
Yes.
How many times do you think you shot?
What do you mean? Oh,
Pulled the trigger?
Once.
One time? What caliber is that?
9mm.
So what... So tell me,
Resident.
With every answer, new questions began to rise. Was it really just a mistake, or was there a deeper story behind it?
in here with you guys.
She came last night.
She came last night?
Very good. Well, not very late, but later in the evening. We had just done Christmas wrapping stuff.
Okay.
I
mean, accidents happen. I know it's hard for you. I appreciate you talking with me. Do you need to get checked out?
I'm fine. I just need to make sure she's good.
So we'll stay out here, let the paramedics go in there and do their stuff, because there's a lot of people in there right now. Do you know where she got shot at?
In the back, and it went through out her chest.
Oh, so it's a through?
She's struggling hard to breathe.
Okay, so it went through. Do you know what kind of bullet it was? Was it a hollow point or?
It was not. It was like a reman shell, I think. I have to.
I don't know if were you guys drinking or anything?
No.
Nothing?
Not at all.
Marijuana or anything like that?
I wasn't. No, not at all.
Nothing like that?
We were all fine.
Your wife she's in there with your sister, with her sister, right?
Yeah.
Okay. He's the one who accidentally shot her.
Oh,
yeah. Sir, here, stay here with me real quick. Do you need anything?
Coat, hat.
Coat and hat? Okay, we'll get you that. What we'll do is, because right now, here's the thing. Like I told you earlier, we can't go in. We have to treat this like what happened, okay? I know you told me what happened, but we have to verify all of what telling you what happened. So I appreciate all your honesty. I know it's a difficult time, and I apologize that we're here this morning, but we have kind of multiple things going on to make sure she's all right, and then make sure everything is...
A break-in on Christmas morning? Or was it a misunderstanding that cost a life?
Did anyone call 911 from here earlier?
I did.
And then hang up? Or?
I tried to. My phone wouldn't go through. It kept, it wouldn't...
So the incident already happened?
Back. Yes.
Okay, and how long between was it hanging up and you calling again?
Immediately. I kept trying. I couldn't get through, and then they called me back.
Okay. And that's when you told them what happened?
Yes.
Okay. Can you bring me a squad car? Keep him warm.
I'm good here.
You're good here?
I'm good here.
Okay. So he says he called, the 911 hang-up was him. He called 911, it wasn't going through. He called a couple times, then they called him back. So that was the 911 hang-up call.
Okay.
It should go, Danny. All right, have a seat in there for me. So Daniel, because you're coming back to the station with me, I got to read you these, okay? These are your rights, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Do you understand that? Danny, do you understand that?
I hear you.
But do you understand that?
Whether justice is served or not, the truth always finds its way. What do you think? Was it really just an accident?
Anything you say can and will be used against you in court. Do you understand that?
As of this current moment?
Yes.
Yes.
You have the right to speak with a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. Do you understand that?
I do.
If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Do you understand all these rights I read to you?
Yes.
Okay. We'll see if you still want to continue speaking with us once we get to the station.
I don't until I speak with my lawyer.
Oh, no problem. I appreciate that. All right. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put cuffs in the front here. I'm not gonna put them in back. You've been very cooperative, so I appreciate that. But I have just some policies. We'll just try to keep these in front here for you. Very loose. All right, I'll be right with you. Watch your knee there. We'll get you to the bathroom first, and then I'll get you some food, and then we'll get your medicine, see which one you need. All right, there you go, sir. We're gonna go to the left, all the way down the hall. Well, let me take that stuff. Why don't we go in here first, get all that situated, get those off you, and then we'll go to the bathroom.
Got it.
Okay. All right, there you go. All right, sir. Come on this way. We're gonna go back in there.
Can we send my phone and talk to my attorney?
Yes.
That right in your pocket there?
Yeah. Give me a second. I'll be right back. I just have to get your food ordered up, and I'll be right back. Okay? Okay. Here's your breakfast.
Am I available to have my cell phone? You have to speak to my attorney.
Yes. Once we're done here, we'll go take care of that. I just want to make sure you get your medicine first. I'll give you like a few minutes, and then we'll go make your phone calls. Okay? Do you know the phone number to the lawyer, or do you need your phone for that?
I need my phone for that.
Okay. We have to go back in the back. That's where we make our phone calls. So we'll have to call from the phones that are here. I'll get you the number, and then you'll call, and then we'll go from there. Okay?
Okay.
Any questions?
I just need to do that.
Yeah, no problem. You need any more food, or can I throw that out?
Yeah.
I'll throw it out later. I'll worry about that later. We'll go make your phone call. We'll come back here after we're done. So go ahead to make the call. If you like, you can have a seat, or you can stand. It's up to however you feel. Go ahead and pick it up. Dial 911. So what's going to happen, we're going to put you in a cell now. The detectives are investigating it.
Daniel's sister-in-law, 50-year-old Kelly Barnett, was pronounced dead at the hospital. 52-year-old Daniel Garcia was charged with involuntary manslaughter of a family member. A local Chicago news network offers a few new details about the incident. Police recovered at the scene the shell casing that was actually under Garcia's pillow, the Glock, which was on his nightstand, and they even recovered that bullet, which we're told flew through the hallway and ended up in the living room. Garcia quickly called 911 while his wife applied pressure to the wound. Tonight, neighbors left shocked at the tragedy next door. The most up-to-date information available to the public is that a court date was scheduled for January 17, 2025. While it's unknown how the case has proceeded, if Daniel is convicted, he could face a sentence ranging from 3 to 14 years in prison. He is presumed innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.